Hi. So today we are going to solve this medium level difficulty problem on linked list, which is delete node in linked list. Right. In this problem, we have to delete a particular node, and we have to solve it accordingly so that it's never existing in that particular linked list, right? And the size of that linked list should decrease by one, and all the values before and after the particular node remain in same order, right? And also the values are like same order. So as if you see this, if we are going get this linked list which is like 4, then 5, then 1, then, and we have to delete uh, uh, value fifth node, right? So we have to do that. uh, that particular node should never exist. To doing that, we are given that particular node address, right? So what we are going to do, we are going to do that particular node value, which is val, right, is equal to that particular node's next value, right? So node points to next value, next node, and that node's value, right? So by doing that, we are getting next node, which is one, that one data into that particular fifth node, right? And then node of next, that particular node which is pointing to next, we are going to node next and next, which means we are going getting 5. We are replacing 5 to 1, and that we are also replacing that particular address, that pointer which points to next, which is like 5 to 1. We are replacing it 5 to 9 directly. So by that doing that, we are getting 4, and value replace 1, and then 9, right? And yeah, that's it. Now we are running it. All case accepted, then submitting it. Accepted, right? So for explaining you, here it is the solution. If we are getting 1, 5, 3, and 7, and we want this value to remove, what we are going to do? We are going to replace this value to this value, right? Which value? We are going to replace this value to this value, and address of this value to this. For if we suppose the address of these are 100, 1000, right? And say 1 to 12 and 330 and 200, right? And what we say that 1 points to 212, 5 points to 330, and 3 points to 200, right? We have to do that, and we are given this particular address, this particular node, which points to this particular address like 330. We are going to store this value uh, here, like the address pointing 330. We are going to store this value to this, make a copy of it, and then removing this one by simply changing this thing here. By simply changing this thing, we are going to replace this to this and removing this part, right? So what we are getting at last, we are getting 1, 5, oh, sorry, 3, and 7, right? And this one is pointing to 212. This 3 is pointing to 200, and this 7 pointing to null, right? So that's it. Thanks for watching.